Hey, Jim Reiser, SwimLessonsUniversity.com. I'm here again with my student, Jace. And we just took Jace's vest off because we're going to practice jumps because he's getting pretty good. And so since he's doing pretty well with the swimming, we're going to have him work a little bit with his vest off, trying to get back to the wall after he jumps in the pool. Now, we're going to go down here where the water's a little deeper. And one of the things I think are really important when you do jumps, that you don't want to have your student jump to you. So, can you stand up, Jace? So instead of me being out there where he could turn around, the place he's going to get hurt is if he decided to change his mind, turn around and hit his face on the wall. So I'm always going to be right like this beside the wall, make sure he gets out into the pool, and then I'll help him on the way back as needed. All right, ready, Jace? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. You did. Super job. You did awesome. Would you like to do another one?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Okay, stand up. Again, I'm by the wall. I'm generally going to hold the nearest hand, or I might hold it with my opposite arm there and then put this hand behind him to guide him away. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good. Hit the wall. Awesome. Jace, those were some awesome jumps you did. You did terrific today. Last thing I might note is if I had a swimmer that was very confident and I was very sure of him, again, I would still stand beside the wall. I'll put my arm back here so he can jump in, but I'm always making sure they get out away from the wall so they can enter the water safely. If you found this video helpful, leave your thumbs up and comments below. If you're looking for a step-by-step complete training and certification program, head over to SwimLessonsUniversity.com, where we put the science back into teaching children to swim. In the meantime, if you haven't already done so, click subscribe and turn your notifications button on so you never miss a video when we put one out. And remember, no other sports skill can save a child's life. Give a child a lifetime gift. Teach him or her to swim.